Hola chicos, bienvenidos. Mi nombre es Hawani. Here are three simple phrases to either start a sentence or introduce a new theme or transition between two different points during a conversation in Spanish. So these are three simple ones that I use quite often, so they're very effective, especially if you're a beginner. El número uno, con respecto a. Con respecto a. So think of this one as in saying in English with regards to. Por ejemplo, con respecto a tu madre, ¿cómo está? Con respecto a tu madre, ¿cómo está? Let's try another one. Con respecto a mi viaje a España, ¿qué me recomendarías? Con respecto a mi viaje a España, ¿qué me recomendarías? Nice work, so you're probably starting to see how useful this one is. Before we move on, let's try one more example. Con respecto a tu trabajo, ¿dónde trabajas? Con respecto a tu trabajo, ¿dónde trabajas? Next up, el número dos, con relación a. Con relación a. So I like this one because it's pretty easy to learn. You can simply just change con respecto a to con relación a. So it's easy to remember, but think of this one more as a useful way to transition between two different things during a sentence to link everything together. Of course, you can also use it at the start of a conversation as well. Por ejemplo, con relación a tu hermano, ¿dónde está? Con relación a tu hermano, ¿dónde está? So you can see we used it at the start of a sentence there, but let's try another example, this time using it midway through a sentence instead. Tengo que cambiar mi rutina con relación a mis estudios. Tengo que cambiar mi rutina con relación a mis estudios. Good work so far, everyone. I hope you're starting to see how useful these two phrases are that we've been through so far. Of course, before we move on to the third and final one, just a reminder, if you are getting any value from any of these videos, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Moving on to the last one, en cuanto a. En cuanto a. So personally, I use this one quite a lot as well as a sentence starter. Por ejemplo, en cuanto al gimnasio, ¿quieres entrenar conmigo esta noche? En cuanto al gimnasio, ¿quieres entrenar conmigo esta noche? So you can see in that first example, great way to start a sentence, but also introduce a new theme potentially as well if that's what you want to do. Let's try another example. En cuanto a tu español, ¿cuál es tu secreto? En cuanto a tu español, ¿cuál es tu secreto? Nice work. So that finishes things off for today. So I hope you got some value from this video. Just remember, you don't have to use every single example, but if you can implement one or two of these, I guarantee you it will make a difference to your Spanish conversations. And overall, it just helps your Spanish conversations to flow a lot better instead of stuttering along. As always, if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or a question in the comment section below. But apart from that, I'll see you in the next one. Hasta pronto.